Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal mid-monthly energy check-in for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the rest of the month of August 2026. Keep in mind this is general. This might or might not resonate with you. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Let's see. Sagittarius, the overall energy for Sagittarius people for this rest of the month. Let's see what we have. We have the Fool card, the Knight of Cups, and the Six of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Pentacles. Okay, the underlying energies of Three of Pentacles. There's a collaboration, partnership. There might be some kind of group work or group activity that you might be doing with other person, or it is related to your work. Something related to a collaboration partnership is there that is making you feel very excited, very happy. You guys are finally able to move forward in your life and see the happiness again. You guys, your energies right now are is to, you know, have a lot of experiences, have a lot of experiences, making your life more beautiful, more positive, more compassionate, more loving. And you guys are working actively on the factor that the past baggages should be removed from your life slowly but surely. That includes people, places, situations, things, experiences that are not serving your purpose anymore in your life, and you are having a breakthrough. It's like you're creating a breakthrough. Okay, Sagittarius, it's like you guys were going through the same routine, the same lifestyle, the same kind of issues again and again and again. Now you're kind of tired, and now you're kind of in this energy of, okay, I don't want this life anymore. So you might be taking help from somebody, like maybe a group of people, soul family, or somebody, maybe professional help like mental health counselor or something. And you are creating a breakthrough in your life where you are moving forward towards better life, better opportunities, better relationships also. But your relationship with yourself is improving like drastically. Let's see what was happening in the recent past. Let's see. Yeah, let's see what was happening in the recent past, Sagittarius. We have the Knight of Swords. You guys were trying to avoid or ignore something or someone, and you were trying to run for the hills because something was making you feel like uncomfortable, or it was too much for you, huh? Let's see in the current energies. We have the Nine of Swords. It's like something is bugging you. It's not something that's that much difficult to deal with, but your continuous overthinking and continuous worry and lack of self confidence is making something look like a very big deal. By the end of this month, we have the Fool, the breakthrough. Yeah, it's like a breakthrough month for you guys, rest of this month. Let's clarify the Knight of Swords in the recent past for you guys. Sagittarius, let's see. Let's clarify the Knight of Swords in the recent past for you guys. We have the Knight of Wands and the High Priestess and the Knight of Swords. Okay, there are lots of knights here. So there were lots of people involved in your energies. You were, you were being circled by so many energies at the same time. You were trying your best to stay calm, stay composed, and do your own thing. But people around you, situations around you, were continuously making you feel like you should run away and never look back. Okay, so there were on and off, in and out kind of situations in your life. They were making you feel excited, then they were going down, and then there were situations that was continuously making you feel like you're on the edge of becoming a mental patient or something. Honestly speaking, I'm just getting this energy. That's why you felt like you should run away as far as you can from certain people or situations and never look back because they were too much to handle. Currently we have the new Nine of Swords. Right now you're worried about something, you're continuously worried about something or someone, maybe uh, again because your mind is not able to let you rest. Let's clarify the Nine of Swords. Some of you, it can be like you're having insomnia or restlessness, night restlessness in your energies that is making you feel like this. Age of Pentacles and the Two of Wands and the Hermit. Yeah, you are waiting for some kind of start, some kind of answer. It can be like, for some of you it can be a result, For some of you it can be a documentation, for some of you it can be like you want to start something, let's say a business or something, and you're waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and watching and hoping for some kind of answers, maybe from the universe, maybe from like some other place. But there's a lot of stress around a situation that you want to do something about, but there's a lot of waiting period going on. And the more it's like getting delayed, the more you have to wait, the more it's making you feel like anxious and stressed out. And you're like, oh my god, I don't know what is going to happen, what if it is going to go down, what if this is going to happen. You are not able to rest at peace, you're not able to sleep at night thinking about what is going to happen and when it is going to happen. For some of you, what is going to happen, for some of you, when it is going to happen. Okay, by the end of this month, we have the Fool card. Let's see as the potential outcome for you guys. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Four of Cups, and the Moon card. You are going to take a leap of faith. For most of you, it's like a business thing. You are going to take a leap of faith in a business, in a career opportunity, or maybe you are going to start some kind of thing with your family. But you are going to feel confused, you are going to feel like as if you are not able to understand what exactly is happening and what is going to happen next, because there is going to be lack of clarity, there is going to be lots of things that are not going to make sense to you, there are going to be lots of things in a situation that is going to make you feel like what the hell is happening, I don't know, I don't understand. Okay, there's going to be lots of secretive energies around the situation, and you guys are going to feel a little bit all over the place, little bit confused, because you're not going to understand the project, you're not going to understand what's happening behind the scenes, and that's going to make you feel like, oh my god, did I make a mistake here, did I do something wrong, or should I go back, and this and that. Because of the lack of clarity or lack of answers from the situation that you are going to jump into, you might feel like you might have done something wrong. I don't think so. It's just the phase where when we start something, we have all kinds of illusions and fears and insecurities and whatnot. This is one of those situations where you're going to start something, do something about a situation, about some area of your life, and you are going to be instantly in this energy of what is happening, what's going to happen next, how it is going to unfold. Lots of things are going to make you feel like very, very anxious, and that's okay. That's normal. That's normal. That's human. Okay. Nothing is going down, it's just your perception, your thinking might make you feel like this. The moment you're going to get the clarity, the uncertainty is actually going to make you feel like this. That's the exact word. The uncertainty is going to make you feel a little bit all over the place. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this month. We have the Death card and the Ace of Swords and the Five of Pentacles. See, honey, if this is something related to money or finances or savings, make sure you are going to keep a portion of your savings or investments aside, and you are not going to invest each and every penny that you have in a particular business or something. Make sure this is not a too good to be true kind of a scheme or business idea, or somebody is selling you big dreams but there is no groundwork, there is no proof, or they might be telling you that this is a new industry, or this is the new thing. Don't go in that direction where you don't have any kind of stable ground or stable background. Or if this is something brand new but you have to invest a lot of money or lot of energy that you might regret later on. So the moral of the story is, until unless everything is going to be crystal clear to you right in front of you in written documentation, don't make any kind of investments, especially related to money, because you might regret it later on big, 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 big time. Okay? And even if you are going to be presented with some kind of documentation, or let's say some kind of what we call that, contract or something, if you no normal human can read all the terms and conditions and everything, you can hire somebody like a legal person or like a lawyer or something to read for you and understand each and everything. Okay, so that you can proceed further and be at peace. Okay, don't do anything in uncertainty. Here this uncertainty is not good. In the guidance I'm getting it. If there are so many red flags, so many things that are not clear, so many things that are making you feel anxious, it's better for you to, get involved in a get some kind of legal person involved and take help if you have already done that. If not, beware of these red flags and then only proceed further with caution. Let's see the final message for you guys here for this month, Sagittarius. We have the justice. Fight for justice and equality. Rulings made in your favor, don't give up. If you have done nothing wrong, but if you have done something, I mean invested in something, and you gave some money or something, fight for it. Get justice. The rulings are going to be made in your favor. Do not give up. Okay, don't give up, Sagittarius. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sagittarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.